Guys, so come back sa ating eating contest, sa Balbakwa eating contest. Charot. ito, ito pala yung pictures natin. Tatlo yan. We have 3 channel to be ipipicture natin mga content, mga YT friends. Yan, si number 1 is si Marilyn Paris Vlog. Yan. Don't forget to visit Ma'am Marilyn. Huwag niyo kalimutan bisita at saka i-sub at saka i-play. Yan. Share the videos kung pwede. Number 2 is si Miss Honey Pie Vlog from Hong Kong. Ito siya. So, loading pa kayo. Hindi pa kita. We cannot see their faces. Ayan. Meron siyang bagong vlog. Yung pancit mukbang. Yan. Saka si Ma'am Shen Piano Salon. Okay. Ang bago niyang video is ito, Spring OST K-drama from Netflix. Okay, yan na, kita na. So guys, mag-play tayo ng isang video each, one video each, and then don't forget to subscribe this my YT friends, ha? Pero paro lang kayo guys. Ayan, si Ma'am Pansit Mukbang sa kanya, si Ma'am Hanipay, si Ma'am Shen, hanap tayo ng iba. Ayan. Super. When I get old yan, ito tayo. That's kanya ka Ma'am Shen. Yan. While waiting, nag-loading pa yan. Nag-loading pa sila, oh. So, ito yung mga pangalan nila. Don't forget the name of the channel. Marilyn Paris, yan. Honey Pie Vlogs, yan. Hong Kong. Marilyn is from America. We have from Hong Kong, and we have from Korea. Ma'am Shen is from Korea. And then, let's wait for the video. Naglo-loading pa yan, no? Okay, yun. So, sa kabilang dako, nandito tayo kay Living After 50s. I'm playing your videos. Yan. Basta member. Piniplay natin yan. Si Ma'am Fatima din. Doon sa laptop. Piniplay ko sa laptop. Si Ma'am Kuan sa cellphone. Kasi Pink 96 Lover. Yan. Piniplay ko. I'm watching their videos. Pink 96 Lover. And then Living After 50s. Ma'am Fatima. And also Drone from Life. Shout out my member, Drone from Life. Then it's it muna. Then from Life, Fish 199, then Honey Pie. Ayan, nandun si Honey Pie. So, it's it muna guys. So yun na, mayroon na yung mayroon. Still loading. Kaya muna ako guys. Medyo gutom-gutom na. Ito yung paborito ng mga Bisaya. Humba, that's humba at barbacoa. Luto ng ito ay luto ng anak ko. Tsaka yung misis ko, si Lisa. Sarap. Grabe. So, I think it's what's Ma'am Marilyn. Yun ang anak niya, oh. Yan. Ito sa kabila. Set out din tayo dito. Fish. This one. Yan. So, kay Ma'am Marilyn yan kayo na. So, ito naman kay Ma'am Shen. Wala pa. Marilyn, Shen, Honey Pie. Okay, loading pa. So, nag-loading pa na. Okay. So, shout out tayo mga bago kong mga si this Kim, shout out. Yan. New subscriber, new white friends. Maya Vlog, shout out. Then It's about Jesus. Yan. About. Siyempre, nandiyan si Everybody. And then si Pink 26, Shin Piano Salon, John from Life, mga member ko yan. Member Pink 6 Lovers, Shin Piano Salon, John from Life, Hanibay, mga member ko yan. Si Fish 1999, Fatima Saida member. Adopted member ko si Honey Home, yan. Pwede rin mag-member sa akin, charot. Si Miko Netizen, yan. Si Pili, yan. Si Ship Hit, my friend. Philip Rock, Lumaga Vlog, Kim Do Family, yan. Yung anak ni Ma'am pala. Mga cute lang anak. Ang cute ng anak ni Ma'am. Yan. Large. Yan. Huge. Wala. So, basta din si Musa Ruby. Si Musa Rubo. Yan. Si Stagtik, Ronald the Farm Boy, si Charles Cooper Music. Yan. Caballero Item, Murphy Yoga. Yan. Next sa ating list is si Ma'am Shen. Yan na. Music. Galing ng finger ko, movements. Very talented person. Pianist. Ma'am Shen. Yan. Atong ikuan. Lakihan natin video. We cannot lead a kuan kanang walang sounds because to prevent copyright pala. So yan lang. After the kuan vlog, magpa-sounds ako kay Ma'am Shen. My wife and me are also always watching Shen Piano Salon. It's very relaxing kuan kasi siya. Relaxing music. Pink 26 Lover. Watch our ang kulang at saka subscriber. Si Ma'am, subscriber yata. Subscriber and watch our yun. Yeah. So, let's go to third pictures natin si Ma'am Hanipay. Pero wala pa. Still loading. So, let's eat muna. Ayaw pa dala yun. Malaki. Harap. This mais. Mais means corn rice. So, ito na si Ma'am Hanipay. Ayan, lumabas na. So, Hanipay Vlog, Shen Music Salon, at si Marilyn, an American Filipina from Hong Kong, and then Ma'am Shen from Korea, the pianist from Korea. Yeah. So, nagmumukbang yan si Ma'am. So, please don't forget to visit the channel guys. Magkuhan tayo, tulungan. Let's help each other. So, next vlog tayo guys. Iya, yo.